All right, John here, and we are back. We are going to do something unique that doesn't happen very often, but graffiti removal. That's what we're doing today. And today is a dumpster pad, or a dumpster area, that has some on some wood. Got a little bit right there, but that is the big area that we're looking at. So I've got some graffiti removal that we're gonna put on here. We're gonna paint it on, basically, and then we're gonna let it sit, be about 20 minutes or so. And then we're just gonna spray it off. And hopefully I don't have to go to the customer and say, sorry, not sorry. But we'll see how it turns out. I am gonna try to get some of this recorded, but again, I don't have a tripod that works. I gotta get on this. So sorry, gang. We'll definitely have some before and after photos, but we'll see what I can do. Stay tuned.
Tag on the wall, gone by noon. John showed up with the silver boom. One pass, then gone, no damage left. Just a clean white finish and a job done best. Soft wash, slow roll, let it breathe. Lift that stain from the brick beneath. Herzog Hydro Force, John gets it done. Herzog Hydro Force, watch it come undone. Soft washing at its finest, clean as it can be. Herzog Hydro Force, that's the one for me. Faded spray paint.
All right, first pass at this. There's still a little left here and here on that. There's very little marking here. That spot that was here, a little left. There actually was blue paint here. That's gone. I'll rub some on there and see if that works. But this is that big area on the first pass. So I'm gonna coat this a little more, and then we're gonna come back and finish off. That's looking great. All right, I am done. I did 3 coats, unfortunately. First one did a lot. The second one did most of the remaining, and I was just really particular, so I wanted to try to get every little thing off. So here's my fence. Sorry, not sorry, coming on. There's a little residual still left. Not much more I can do unless I just really rip it apart. But more importantly, I'm really surprised that none of this is remaining and it didn't really damage that painted steel. Nothing really left here. And that little one there is gone. I also had some stuff here and it's completely gone. Now, I will show the before and afters of all this here in the end, but I'm super excited. Look at how clean this looks. Now, if you get really close, you can see some of the purple left in certain spots. But this is hard to beat. I mean, that is fantastic. So, graffiti removal, pretty damn successful. Love it. And Robin, thanks for the work. Through BNI, this is how I got this job. But now I've got 2 more jobs I've got to finish for the rest of the day. So, I've got to hit the road, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate it.